and mommy.
Okay.
We have to be stronger and we have to protect ourselves and kill Abiy Ahmed.
Okay, so protect ourselves, and then all Oromo, their protesters themselves, they want to kill Abiy Ahmed, yeah? Why?
And Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
Really?
Yeah, it come our house. It gets smashed from everybody. Me and you, mommy house. It gets and he wears the mask.
Yeah.
Mask and he comes jump up and
Abiy Ahmed is coronavirus, yeah? It's corona?
no,
Hmm.
he's dangerous.
Who?
He's Abiy Ahmed.
Abiy Ahmed is dangerous?
Yeah.
Dangerous?
And Dramamet and Hamza Oromo.
Hmm.
This Oromo.
Abdi Ragasa? Abdi Ragasa? Hamza Borana?
Yeah.
Bakala Garba? Johar Muhammad? Where is there? Ese Jiranisan?
And Geo.
And the jail?
Yeah.
So why? So
We have to save them.
we save them, yeah?
Yeah.
So why wearing the yellow? Yellow, your t-shirt is yellow.
But everybody like yellow and Abiy Ahmed take us and put us jail and me jail and it kill you and kill mommy.
Oh, and also he wanna kill the Johar Muhammad, yeah?
Yeah, he take me out. So you and mommy died. I'm getting angry.
What the color of your banana?
Yellow.
Oh, everything is yellow. You like yellow? Your banana is yellow. Show me. Namo disime. Oh, your t-shirt is yellow also.
Yeah.
You're making a protest, like yellow movement.
And
Yeah.
it take me out. I get angry. I get so big, strong. I kill him. And I bring
Okay.
you and mommy and the doctor.
And doctor?
Yeah.
Oh, so you have a mommy music? You can open? You can open the mom music?
And
Mommy music? You open already? Can you change another one? Yeah, mama music. Oh, Dimavi.
this bubble.
Is that Bobo? Who's the singer?
Mommy.
Yeah?
Mommy.
Ega ka Dimapi argitani yellow movement uffate akkasitti.
Wait, hey!
Okay.
Don't talk with somebody.
Okay, talk to yourself. Okay. Do it.
Well, and some. And,
Stop the music. The one. Okay.
And we Abiy Ahmed died. I bring you and mommy and Habs and the doctor and feel you good. And you can grab it and me and good.
Okay, so Abiy Ahmed is not good, yeah, for Oromo. Abiy Ahmed is Oromo?
No.
What's Abiy Ahmed?
Evil and killer.
Oh, yeah, evil and the killer. Abiy Ahmed, not Oromo, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh my God, the back good. That is my pico.
And Abiy Ahmed is big, is kill you fit and you arm and mommy leg.
Yeah, ega ka hordoftoota keenyarra Dhimma Pituu irree miidiyaa istiidiyoo guutumaan guutuutti qabatee isiniif beektanii kaa'ee dabarsu jira. Share
I
godhame.
stop
Okay. Sorry.
and he kill our house
Yeah.
and me and Bonsa and Ayu Oromo and he kill us and we are little, we are angry before we are strong enough to kill Abiy Ahmed.
Okay, Abiy Ahmed is kill us. Na kill an Oromo.
And Bonsa is big.
Kanaafuu Oromoo jabaadhaatii hayyuu keessan jedhi ka akkas jedhi.
Look, Oromo's died and everybody died and somebody saving.
Rama ye sirri da Dhimma fi galee raabsi haasniya. Okay, jedhi.
Look. And Dad, why are you talking to?
Okay, I'm not talking. Okay, do it. Go ahead. Jedhi tunu jedhi.
Look, Abiy Ahmed is a killer.
Okay.
Killed somebody.
Okay.
And both sides, and me and both sides are you, and you and mommy help work together.
Okay, so all Oromo people, they must make a protest on Abi, yeah?
And we work together. Our house, we make our house big, and Abi my can climb. Abi my have a ladder climber.
He's a liar, yeah? Abi Ahmed is a liar? He's a liar? Abi Ahmed.
No, he never lied. And he
Thai male Thai ti dubbadhu inde studio jirta miti studio mu
Abi Mohammed eats something evil.
Abi Ahmed is evil, yeah?
Yeah, he eats something. He never
Abi
eats something.
so says Johan Muhammad is free, Bakala Garba is free, Abdi Ragasa is free,
Yeah.
Hamza Borana is free. Say that.
Abi
Jit.
Ramaman is free.
Okay?
I don't know. Something.
Hamza Borana?
Yeah.
Jika.
Hamza Brahma is free.
Abdi Ragasa is free.
Abi Reza free.
All Cairo is free.
All Cairo is free.
All Karre is free.
All Cairo is free.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
We need freedom.
Yeah, Ram argite mere dimapi baka kutte dugan sinje da siyasni gale waje dimapi.
And we're cooking now.
Yeah, we cooking now. Amma beetani ka na hojjedhu jechu jira nyaata. Achire kitti mudhiska. Amma ni gaya Oromo jabaadha nyaata hojjechuuf deemu jira, laaqana tolfachuuf deemu jira jedhe. I wanna make a cook my
Amma umea guma.
walidda chana guyyaa biraa jedhe. Eka walidda chana amma dhume guyyaa biraa walidda chana jedhe. Maal godhuuf deemu jirtare? Why you wanna go? Why you wanna do it going? Maal godhuuf deemu jirta?
Cooking.
You cooking? What it does? Oh my God! Show us. Show me. Oh, hanyaan Oromo jedhi ka. Hanyaan Oromo jedhi.
Hadnan Oromo.
Hanyaan Oromo jedhi. Itti mudhis mee? Okay, banana illee itti mudhis. Oh, sirbi yaa. Sit. Dimaafin jabaate bakka. Wow. Sit.
Amma, it's done now.
Okay, dan jedhee jira nagatti oolaa nagatti bulaa irree miidiyaan ara dimaafii wajjin zanaa isin godhaa olee jira. Bye bye. Ciao jedhiin bakka. Achi taa'iti.
Ciao.
Nagatti jedhiin.
Nagat.
Yeah, dimaafii.
You see me?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yes, I like.
Come on.